Happy Thursday, everybody. Okay, so I'm just going to show you a Brocade switch in a second, but I just wanted to show you this quickly first. A Catalyst 4006 from 1999 with broken fans. Apparently, they put these fans in the chassis, fired it up, and they disintegrated. Look. And that one's gone as well, look. So, being plastic, over the years, the plastic becomes brittle. Yeah, so we will, and that fan tray is like gold dust. And the reason is because there are people still out there with a 4006 Catalyst 4000 chassis, and they're still running them. And sometimes the fan modules go on them, and the fans break. So that's why they need another one. So anyway, we'll source just the fan modules, replace them. Probably going to add 3 or 4 days onto the lead time for that order. So anyway, the perils of refurbishing networks. And talking about refurbishing networks and Brocade, you might be thinking, hang on a second, yes, that's a Brocade switch. You've got Brocade optics there, 16 gig ones, 2 power supplies, but it's branded Hewlett-Packard. Look. So what have we got here? I'll tell you what we've got. We have got a Brocade 6510, a 48 port switch. Look, there you go. There's your 48 ports. Only 24 are active by default. This one is the next model up. It has been port licensed to 48 ports. Branded Hewlett-Packard SN 6000B, and these can be branded IBM as well, which is the IBM SAN 48B-5 or Dell EMC DS6510-B. All run the same operating system, all different colours. We know all the different cross-reference part numbers. Yeah, so this piece came out in 2012, made end of life 2017, 2018, replaced by the Brocade G620 series, which is the SN 6600. Anyway, that beautiful little beast is going out the door, beautifully refurbished in a nice new box. Couple of rails, little rail kit there. Anyway, Bob's your uncle. I won't say the rest. Anyway, so if you need any fibre channel switches, you know where to come. Gotta go. See ya. Bye.